Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the task queue is empty in Outlier AI jobs. First, head over to Outlier. The first thing you need to check is whether you've completed all onboarding requirements and assessments. Without 100% course completion and accuracy, the system won't assign you new tasks, so make sure that's done. Next, try clearing your browsing data, which can help fix any loading or coaching issues. To do this, click on the three dots in the top right corner of your browser, then go to Settings. Now navigate to Privacy and Security on the left panel. From there, click on Delete Browsing Data. Just a quick reminder, make sure you've saved or memorized all your login credentials before proceeding, as this will delete saved login info and site data. Once that's done, you can now click on Delete Data. After that, go back to Outlier and close the site and reopen it to refresh the session. Lastly, try refreshing and re-entering at different times. Queue availability varies, so checking every 5 to 10 minutes, especially during off-peak hours, can increase your chances of getting tasked. That's it. Hopefully one of these steps gets you back on track and ready to work on Outlier AI. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.